My friend, how are you? This is Samuel Sane. Today I want to explain something here. I want you to see me. I want to show you one of the tools. I don't know whether you have ever seen this one. We call this one a brush cutter or grass cutter. It's a battery type, wireless one. It is energized by a recharged battery. You can see it. And this is how we get removed to it. You check this one. It's a 21 volts lithium ion battery. So without this battery, the machine cannot operate. Now this is how you put it. Just like a laptop or your phone. You just plug in like this. Okay. Now this grass cutter or brush cutter has trolleys. When you are cutting the grass, it has a knife here, you can see. It rotates. Let me show you by a sample. Can you see how it works? Good. Now, on safety precautions, do not operate this machine without goggles. Let me wear mine. Sometimes it's also good to use gloves. In the package, it comes with the gloves, it comes with the goggles, and 2 batteries. You know, sometimes you might find some rocks, some sensitive things that can hurt your eyes. So it is good you use goggles. Let me show you how to operate it. Look at me. We go on, we work. Here I am. I want to show you how it works. We start. Making work easier. This is how it works. So slowly, so smooth, so smooth. Let's make my compound clean and smart. Remember the other battery is charging. Okay, let's finish this one. How do you like it? Let us continue. Oh, nice. Awesome. As we continue, I will show you something I forgot. Uh-huh. We have an extension here. You just press this one down. Depending on your height, I'm tall. You can adjust from this button here to your size. You can imagine. Up to that point. It's upon you. Let's continue. And your compound will be very smart. With less energy. We are going electric, don't forget. And don't forget, you can charge this one with solar, you can charge with electricity, you can charge with battery, car, name them. So you don't have a reason to complain that you don't have power. You can use any source of power. The other thing I would wish to encourage you, for those young men and women who are saying there is no employment, there is employment. You only need to purchase this machine. Once you have purchased this machine, you can get yourself a job from somewhere. Some of the people don't have even time. It makes your work easier. You just get contracts, actually to lawnmower the grasses around the compound, and you make yourself earn a living with this simple machine at affordable price. Let's continue. And you have to be very careful. Like now on my ground, we have a wire. I've noticed my machine. You have to be extra cautious. It is tiresome. You have to keep on pressing this one, and I'll show you how to lock it. Also, the importance of wearing these gloves. It will prevent you from getting blisters. You get me? We continue. not easy, but let's finish. Haha, there is another formula too. I said sometimes you might find some places are not flat. You need just to lift up the brush cutter or lawnmower. You just raise it like this. Here you see, you can cut what you want this way, and the surface is not leveled. Can you see? It's how it operates. And it comes with different knives. I'll show you in a few minutes the knives. We have brushes, I'll show you in a few minutes. This is how you operate in some places like this. It works like this. It's a nice machine, I like it. It makes your work easier. We continue. Aha, another thing I forgot to show you. You can adjust. You see how you can adjust? If you want it to be like this, you can adjust. Look. It depends with you. You can adjust depending on you and how you feel it's good and comfortable for you. This way. You have to take care of your backbone. Let me go back to my position and how I like it to be. This is the best for me. Again, you can increase the height of the rollers. You can bring them up. Depends on you. But it's okay with me. I'm comfortable with this. Aha! Let me ask my son to give me. We have something here. This is a brush, you can use it. This is a spanner to operate it. There's also another circular saw here. It depends on what you want to do. And the surface, just a minute. It has so many tools to work with. It looks like this, very sharp. What you need to do is just to lift it, hold it in a safe position. You remove this knife, you see it? This is a knife to remove. You unlock the bolt and you install the new circular saw. Or if you wish to use this kind of a blade or knife, this is a brush cutter itself. And also You only need a few of these things to operate this machine. It's just as simple as that. And you earn your own living. Also, you make your comfort comfortable and smart. It has other pair of knives. They are here. Look, 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 look. We can operate. Let's try this. Give me the spanner. This is how to do it. Just remove it like this. Look, look, look. Are you? Watch, 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 watch. You don't need a specialist to operate this. You only need yourself. You charge properly. Make sure the battery is full to give you the best time so that we can finish here. In a few minutes we are done. Okay? Have this one. Thank you. This is a knife. These blades too. There are so many blades. It comes with a set of blades. Let's lock it. And remember to lock it properly for your safety. You need to be safe. These are rotating machine. It can be dangerous to you or to any user. Here we are. Thank you. Let's continue. Let's try this one. This is a new blade. Can you hear? Oh, look. I think this is more better than the other one. Moving, 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 moving. Look, look. My guys, look. As I told you, you can lift it and work it like this. Patrick, give me a rake. Now to clear the bush. Good. When I was a boy, I liked something that is rotating. I think that feeling is in me still at my age. I can feel the joy when sliding the machine. So nice. Let's continue. Aha. Let's clear here. Oh, I told you to have to be extra cautious. I forgot. Bring the spanner. Uh-huh. Because of the high speed of the machine, it keeps on rotating. It can sometimes go and open the bolt here. We have a bolt here. You have to be extra cautious. I told you. Don't ignore safety. Safety is so important to you, and mostly to your eyes, hands. Remember, these are sharp knife, very sharp knife. Have to tighten again and again. Good. Let's finish, and I'll show you something before I end up. Sometimes my hand gets tired, but it's okay. I have to understand. And no hurry in Africa. All on Samuel Sane videos. Enjoy them. Wow. Aha. Okay. Once you finish, don't leave your ground in a mess. This is what you do. Take this thing. It's called a rake. A rake will gather all the. You can see what I'm going to do. Any trash around here, what you have done, you just use this one. Make your ground is smart. Make sure uneven surfaces, they are well done. You can see what I'm doing. Patrick, bring the other two. We call it wireless hedge trimmer. I want to show them. It's finished something I have seen. Still, you find some grasses. Is not just. Aha. You trim your grass, you lawnmower your grass this way. That's why it's better to use a rake. Make sure you do a neat job. So don't complain, there is no employment in Kenya. Let me tell you, there is. I know there are so many people who would wish to have their compound well done. But with this tool, you can make your work easier. Ah. How do you like it? It's a good tool. Electric brush cutter or lawnmower. Thank you so much for watching. I want to show you something before I go for my breakfast. Aha, bring it. I told you, when I went to school, I went to do electric installation and other services. This is also another new. Last time I showed you about uh, hedge trimmer. Hedge trimmer, it is used to trim the fences. You can watch from my videos, you will see. This one is now wireless, just like the lawnmower I've shown you. Uh, we have this type, it has a button here, and to make sure you're safe, you must press another button here. You can see it, this small button here. You press it, and before you operate, there is also another safety button. This one, look here. You press it like this, it will work. You'll trim your fence nicely. You can watch some other videos I have shared on TikTok, YouTube, and Facebook, and you'll see this type of a tool. It's good and very good, comfortable. You charge like a laptop. Just press here, you remove this one. Here, this is a battery. We are going fully electric. It comes with 2 sets of batteries. You plug it and you work. Look. Head streamer. Thank you so much. Enjoy watching.